welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Nong Rapalun leaders rally against assault on pregnant women. MLA Arden Basayomot inaugurates Lajkor Nonglom village office. FKJGP inspects MEP DCL Riangdo office over early closure. And NEPA holds passing out parade for 70 DSPs. And now the news in detail. Village leaders and residents of Nong Rapalun held a public rally condemning the brutal assault on a pregnant woman, Elena Lingdo Mauplang, on March 19th. The protest led by village headman Ba P. Dekhar, Ba GS Karlor, Ba A. Khmdet and women's organizations demanded strict legal action against the perpetrator. Elena was attacked with sharp objects while heading to work at Umroi Airport and was rushed to Nigrims due to severe injuries. Speakers at the rally denounced the crime and urged law enforcement to take firm action against violence targeting women and children. They also expressed gratitude to the police for their efforts in tracking down the suspect. The community remains united in seeking justice and ensuring safety for all residents.
Kami jong ka sinong nong Rapalun hi barok kaway ngi sngaw kaman hadu kata-kata kani ka sngi ka bang layo bani pendek kumni bani ya kani ka rally ban penpau ya kijingi persya na ka benta ki kamsneu ki bala jujia ha ki por baro hapo jong kani ka sinong nong ra ka jongi kum hakani ka bajia ya ka tu ka way ka paralong kami ka bala sya pensitom hangni hapo ayu bala sya thombor hangni hajan airport nangta kidon sa kiwi de ki jingjia ki babun ba ki basya thombor ha ka baki syarif ki khna ki badang nyausnem ki khna ki basau snem kum kita ki ai tingidon ke jing sokhia ka bakraw adu kata-kata na ka benta kum ki paralong kemi ki basyang hapo jong kane ka sinong kum jo ki long pa bat ka sinong hi baro kawai bangi don kam ben pen I ya kane ka jing renti bat ka jing trailang na ka benta ban rad dongkong kum ya kini ki ai ki kam sneu ki bajuan jana ka por sya ka por tengi na ka senglong kemi ni penrem jur ya kini ki jing ja ki bawan ha ka sinong ka thau ka jongi bat ha ka jaj ben reu ka jongi ngi kwa ban yo ka jing imsok imsan ngi kwa ban yo ya ka jing bha jing miat ka bangin lek ngin wan kan nomlong ka jing so sir ha ka bangin lek da ka gejat ngi lek da ki kali nrei ha ka ni ka por ki bamenta yo isi bun ki jing ja ki ba ngi so sir wat ban yaj marwei arngot da ka gejat lane da wat da ki kali ru ki don ki jing pen ma ki jing pen trim kham tam ya ki tu ki khna ki badi drugs ki badi kenja ki bala penslur ban le kum ya kini ki jajkam ban batbor ya ki khna ban thombor ya ki paralong keme ya ki kenthe ki kon samla ki jongi kum tangi dan ki jing sukhia ka bakraw sibon bangin ya yang persya kum hakine ki sngi kum kane ka sngi ka rally bangin ya yang la nadu ki khna school ki samla sinong ki long keme ka sinong rangba sinong bat baro ban ya renti lang ban nyom ban thombor ban pendono kum ya kini ki ai baro ki kam sneu ki bala kenrei hakini ki sngi kam tam hakini ki sinong ka ba ke jongi kum ta ngayang hang ni ban ya persya ya kini ki kam sneu baro ki badon nadu ka kiat nadu kenja nadu ka drugs bat ya kini ki kam thombor jong kinu ki brew ki ba don ka mensem ka ba reunar ban thombor ya para brew tang de kini ki kente bam siap ting syo yano bat nang ne syakmat lada jia kumno da kijing renti lang ngin thom mi kini kijing baro kublai sibun.
To improve administrative efficiency and bring peace to the residents, MLA Arden Miller Basayomot inaugurated the executive office of Lajkor Nonglom village. Speaking at a brief meeting, the MLA praised the village's executive committee for their dedication in raising funds for the office. He expressed hope that the new office would ensure smooth and orderly governance for the community. Ba Arden also acknowledged Rasila Kharkongor for her contributions to the village's development. The inauguration marks a significant step towards better administration and welfare for the people of Latkor Nonglum.
Là tự nhiên của tôi cũng chẳng và cái chuyện của chúng một năm một nhiên thì là lôi các bạn ai là cái chắc là các bạn nhai là các bạn kalau các bạn rau hay các bạn là các bạn cả đông là bộ trong cái này cả đông đông luôn thì là đây là cả lương xiêm các bạn của mình là các bạn nhà yang ada yang di office atau yang di komisi ada mga ngabla yang kaban ay yang dijaga ng kadong sila yang kaban dijaga ani ang tulong ito today kayo kasem ijak na kasing suiyit pat na kasing suburom isi kadong kadang iyo ya kemudian kepada istri akam kalau kadang pada tim hajinya tu kadang ini pada kemudian mungkin ia ketusi ya kadang bag ikbat aku ketusi apa iwan ya kapan itu dukanya kita kemudian ketusi ini pada kemudian ketusi apa tidak ya kapan ai Tuhan ya kami kerjakan kami kadang yang tunjuk yang kami interlude kam kemudian kadang kami dipisah lain today ya LRT kami di badan buram bak di badan sistem dulu UMLA haka konstitusi yang dalam ketemu ay kublay lu iya Sherman ya secretary kita perlu kayo kanika siyang kayo na komunika ay kublay ya ilong pa iba don po yung kanika dong but ay kublay kangtang na madon kinya ka iba ka kinya pun ipara ka akannya ka dong luom kuncang ai publik kerpang ai ti tiba dai di bahaya di basem kitungan haka ba pila menyadang lang ang buang kita bila yang nak perku ya akannya ka dong luom aba iba akbar ka po sa phe sa ti kung ti khot trong ka committee para ko we ka executive committee ba phi today da museum ka bakut museum ka bakmen what about people look
Leaders of the Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People, FKJGP Maus Shinrut Circle, led by President Telang Nongse, inspected the MEPDCL office in Riangdo subdivision following complaints from residents about early office closures. During a two-day inspection, FKJGP found that the bill payment counter operates only from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., after which no staff remain in the office. This has caused inconvenience to the public. The union criticized the lack of a public notice explaining the early closure and urged the management to follow proper working hours like other government offices. FKJGP called for immediate corrective action to ensure better public service.
Yang yakapor kim penbiang yakapor bang tri hang ne katkum ka jing ujor jong kipat ba bawan bam siu gelat hang ne kolong ba dia ujor nakapor syakapor kolong ba hakipor arbaji alane artam kemud ba ladang iwan ladang imut ban wan siu gelat hang ne kolong ba kinau tri kim don siu hang ne office tadi halor kata nakalian jongi gasteng ngimban se dalaki jong kikmat niwan ban inspect mentakasni ya kan ke office bat nila labi dalam kijong hikmat ba hakipor arsideng on lai duna kolong ba umdon dong terisi hang ne bat montagas ni ngilapi bobun kipai ba jong kane kadong katan kolong ba ki bamut banwan ban siu gelat montagas ni andai hablik paino nama ba umdon dong terisi khamtam mentale kadi kasnio ba bobun kipai ba ibadai namang kendong kiwan yau artat bat kiwan ro ban kimur ro ban wan si belai artat andre kajing susi kalong ba nakaliang ka department dan kinong tre kamut ba tang hita ipor iba artam dan arsteng kamut kim don su kajing dunong kadi pat ba kinahwan biang sa ko ipat kasni kita dehalo kane banali nakaliang jungi kaseng ni kentu bat ni dawaro hakaju kapor ya ka office tolong ba jadi ban penbiang ya ka office awal ka jongki tenang ba kanum dunong ipai ba jong kane ka dong kathan di bawan ban si bilat akane ka jaka bat hakaju kapor ni setlap ba karkom kiu jong kane ka bilat mentah gini ki banai ki lai sau banai balak de tolong ba balak kiu sabab pelat ladang ni persyang ipai ba kila persyang ban keli na ginau tre babali ka kiu hadu kat ne ka bilat andai maki pade kim ya tu ya tak katau baka ki ko bilat ki babun pai ba jong kadong kathan ki sak lengok ba manta namar ba karkom kiu ko bilat tolong ba hai daya nujor ya gini ki lai sau banai balak dep tolong ba kadang ya biang hi ka jimpoi ka bilat hari menta kemud ba kala long arsya ya ka jingrem menono hari ka ina persyang ban keli ne ki pai ba boong ba yo lesi kadai ba ila kampen buni di bolat andai nakaling joki di ong ba em kajing thangai kadang long kaju kumbalong mensua andai kabilat pade long arsya menta bani ka ba mensua jadi hello kata nakaling jungi gaseng iwan menta tolong ba iwan barong ba nikwa ban yo jingsai hato balik kan ka jiki ban ka bilat long kumni kumbalong mata andai susi tolong ba iwan hang ne ru kumut tangwi nong tri ru ndon jadi kalau kata bah nakaling jungi tolong ba ni terpat USDO bagi terpat ro ya ka department hi borok koi tolong ba kan penbiang ya kinong tri kenang ba ibawan barsi bilai tolong ba ibawan barsi bilai lane kono ka jindon kam ibawan hang ne tolong ba jimdei banda kanom long dunong ya ki laraki ni kinong tri kibadan hang ne tolong ba isyong be
The Northeastern Police Academy, NEPA, conducted a passing out parade for 70 Deputy Superintendents of Police, DSPs, including 62 from Assam and 8 from Mizoram. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma attended as the chief guest, congratulating the new officers on their achievement.
Delighted to be present at this passing out parade of 70 probationer Deputy Superintendent of Police from Assam and Mizoram at this prestigious academy today. This ceremony marks a significant milestone in the life of all the officers training. This is a moment of pride and achievement that you will cherish forever. I am confident that the rigorous training you have undergone has equipped you with the professional competence, physical resilience, and mental strength to excel in the face of all challenges. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you. I also commend those who have earned medals and trophies today. This is a well-deserved recognition of your dedication and excellence in the various aspects of the training. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the proud parents and the family members who are present here to witness this momentous occasion. I extend my sincere gratitude to Sri Danesh Rana, the Director of Northeast Police Academy, the indoor and outdoor faculty members, and the entire NEPA fraternity for their unwavering dedication in shaping the future of the policing. The training imparted to the 62 DSP probationers from Assam and 8 from Mizoram will play a crucial role not only in enhancing their physical and mental resilience but also in their overall development as competent police officers. The rigorous outdoor training, drills, and discipline instilled in the officer trainees will undoubtedly serve them well. The benefit will be both individual and in the police administration and smart governance. Moreover, the curriculum covering law, forensics, and various other subjects has equipped them well with the knowledge needed to excel in their duties. I also appreciate the hands-on exposure given to the trainees through army engagement and visits to jail and police station. Such experience provide them with a broader understanding of practical policing. This also prepares.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.